Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this week because we are gonna go here in Aldi, pick up the remainder things that I need so I can show you how to make 5 meals for 5 people under $75, and I promise you each meal will have leftovers. In the comments or the description below, I will leave a grocery list breakdown, so if you don't have the items at home, you know exactly what you need and what it's gonna cost you. So let's get started. I am finished in Aldi. I got the stuff that I needed to do our 5 meals for under $75. Plus I got a few things that I needed for my own house for like regular for the week. So I spent $55.96. Now let's go home. I'll pull all this out, show you exactly what I got, and show you how we're going to break this down into a meal each day. I'm super excited to take you guys along and show you how to make these 5 meals for under $75. We're going to have teriyaki beef and broccoli rice bowls, taco stuffed baked potatoes, bangers and mash, dirty rice and cornbread, and hamburger and cornbread casserole. So be sure to come back to my channel tomorrow where I'll show you how to make teriyaki beef and broccoli rice bowls, and I'll include the breakdown for the cost.